Hello, am I going to be playing hybrid animals today? I might make this a series if it gets lots of likes. I don't even know how much subscribers I have. I haven't even checked. So, I played it before, but I'm going to start a new game. So, what to be? I know something, so because I have... What's this? Spider and I used something like that before. Maybe I used a sloth and that's a sloth. Sloth and moose. What crazy creature will I get? It equals tree sag. Get it? It looks a bit like a weird chicken with something. I don't know, chicken beard. I don't know what to call it. So, no. Attacking is a bad idea. Not for right now. We'll attack later episodes and make it get epic. Also, if I don't say goodbye at the end of the videos because I don't know when it will end, so I might not say goodbye at the end of the video. Also, I have bad news. Andrew ruined my YouTube channel. Because, you know how I said I was going to explode that mansion, but I was going to make it into a series if you watch that video. I did this battle thing. It's not on YouTube, but so, yeah, with him and Donato and, versus my brother, Kevin, and he exploded my mansion after the battle for fun, and I did not like that at all. Kevin, be quiet. Kevin, no, that's because you destroyed mine. Kevin's just being mean in the background.